Whatever. Let's do this.
All right, so we are going to start with regular old button mushrooms. I put them in a colander and rinse them for a long time until all that dirt's off. Then you take off the stem and you put a little bit of olive oil into a pan. Sorry for my old looking pan. I just got brand new ones. Add in some salt and then give them a nice shake and let them start caramelizing. Then we're going to add in some butter. You see how much water has come out of those mushrooms already? That's good. It's going to reduce and add to our sauce. Add some minced garlic, some wine. I had some Madeira wine. That's what I used. Look at this gorgeous caramelization. Then I chopped up some parsley. You could do any single herb you want. I love parsley in here. I mean, look at this. Look how beautiful they are. Super easy. It's like 4 ingredients, nothing to it. Like and follow for more. And of course,
mushroom. These are pretty nice. Look what I found. Never mind. It's still covered in bugs and maggots later. Mushroom. Boop. I have made a friend. Here are my mushrooms.
Meow, meow, meow.
People who live in California, arguably to me, are living in a completely different reality.
Kinoko Japanese mushrooms with kale is one of my favorite things to make on a weekday night. You're going to want a bunch of varietals of mushrooms. So I used oyster, king, shiitake, enoki, whatever you have is great. You want to saute it with some garlic and oil, add soy sauce or tamari sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, toss in the kale, add a little bit of sesame seeds, and eat it nice and piping hot.